Section 2.5, example 3, using the zero product property to solve a quadratic equation written as a difference of squares. Solve the difference of squares equation using zero product property. From here, all we have to do is factor the left-hand side, even though it would be really easy to add 9 to both sides and use our square root property. Here they want us to use a zero product property. So what we're going to do is factor this, but luckily it's difference of squares. We could think of this as two numbers that multiply to a -9 but add to a 0. Both of those numbers being 3 and -3. We could think of it also by the formula. So a difference of squares. So difference of squares. We could factor a squared minus b squared as a plus b, a minus b. So simple as that. Over here we have x squared. We could rewrite that 9 as 3 squared. So a and b are going to be x and 3 respectively. Just so you could see it, let me zoom in so you could take a better look at it. X squared minus 3 squared equals 0. So from here, all we have to do is separate those with the plus and minus. We have x plus 3 and x minus 3 equals 0. And just as we have been doing with the zero product property, we could separate those two. The product of these two values will equal 0 when this first part equals 0 and also when the second part equals 0. So we have x plus 3 equals 0 and also x minus 3 equals 0. Subtract 3 from both sides on this part. We have x is equal to -3. Add 3 to both sides on this part. X is equal to +3. All together, we have x is equal to -3 and 3. And that's it. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Otherwise, bye.